organization, Special People in Northeast Incorporated. We are grateful, we are pleased, we are humbled. We thank you on behalf of our corporate board, the members, and our staff, but most of all for all those individuals with varying abilities that we support. 40 years ago, when the organization was first conceived, Northeast Philadelphia was still rapidly developing. It was filling itself out between the developed corridors of Frankfort Avenue and Bustleton Pike north of Cotton Street. So many new families came to Parkwood and Morrell Park, Rambler Park, Somerton. The new excitement was electric. Once the homesteads were established, the focus became community services. Northeast Philadelphia, or Greater Northeast as it was preferred to be called, had to go to other parts of the city to access those social services. At the same time, a vortex was sweeping the country to create a community-based system to address the needs of people with mental illness and developmental delays. Spin was historically fortunate to find itself caught up in this confluence of forces that really supported its meteoric growth. It's my hope and my prayer today that this organization will always be worthy of this great acknowledgement, and it will be indebted forever to those pioneers who had the vision for this Northeast community so long ago. Again, we thank you very much.